Let's learn how to upload a photo on Gemini to ensure consistency for the images in a story. Rephrase your story. Copy the first scene of your story. Create an image for your first scene. Add a style at the end of your sentence and send. Wait for the image to be generated. Tap and hold the photo to save it to your gallery. Copy your second scene sentence. Add create an image of. And paste your sentence and add. Following the style. And character uploaded. Tap on Got It. Tap on Photo Library. Select your first scene photo. Tap on the arrow icon to send. Repeat the steps for the next few scenes.